Now this ain't your regular Nitro video, so stay here till the end. I got free 1-week Nitro just now. And y'all know it's for Discord's birthday. Now there's a huge twist. Discord is giving another free 1-day Nitro in their quest section. Many have fallen for this. They tried to claim both and didn't get anything. Now remember, this birthday 1-week Nitro offer will be for 1 week, and this 1-day Nitro offer is expiring on May 20th. Now don't try to claim both. You can't stack Nitro, you can only keep one. You can either wait for 1 week Nitro, since everyone is getting it randomly. Or, if you are impatient, just watch the video for 1-day Nitro and claim it. Now look at this. 95% freeloaders are just watching my videos, claiming free Nitro, but not subscribing. Well, it doesn't cost you anything just to hit that subscribe button. YouTube would recommend my videos to more folks, those who never had Nitro. Also, we are almost at 9,000 subs, so let's make it quick, and then we are road to 10,000 subs. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and show that you ain't no freeloader.